In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track OKRs in Notion with a simple Notion tutorial designed specifically for beginners. Whether you're new to OKRs or just looking for a way to integrate them into your workflow using Notion, this guide is here to help you every step of the way. Let's start by creating a database for your objectives. This will serve as the foundation of your OKR tracking system. Open Notion and create a new page by clicking on the New Page button. You might want to name this page OKRs for easy reference. Once the page is created, choose the option to add a database by selecting Table, Inline from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to directly modify and interact with your data on the same page. Next, let's focus on adding properties for key results. These properties are essential to measure progress towards your objectives. In the database, click on the Add a Property button, which allows you to add different types of fields. Consider including fields such as name, objective, key metric, and status. You could set name as a text property to describe your key result clearly. The objective property can be a relation type property linking to the larger objectives outlined earlier. The key metric property could be a number type to assign a specific target value, and status could be a select property with options like Not Started, In Progress, and Completed to give you a quick snapshot of your progress. Now that you have the basic structure, it's time to enhance your database with progress bars or formulas. This step is crucial as it provides a visual representation of your progress, making it easier to stay on track. To do this, click on a cell in your database and select Edit Property. Choose Formula from the list of property types. You can then write a formula to calculate the progress percentage based on the values in your key metric field. For example, you might use a formula that divides the current value by the target value and then multiplies by 100 to get a percentage complete for each objective. Experimenting with simple formulas here can provide significant insights into your performance against set goals. Lastly, it's essential to set a routine to review your OKRs. Regular reviews, either weekly or monthly, allow you to assess progress, make necessary adjustments, and stay aligned with your goals. During a review, go through each objective and key result, update the status, and reflect on the progress made. Consider setting reminders or recurring tasks in Notion to prompt these reviews systematically. This practice not only keeps you informed about whether you're on track to meet your targets, but also helps in identifying any potential areas of improvement. By following these steps, you can effectively track OKRs in Notion, ensuring you stay organized and focused on your objectives. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.